previous lesson, we talked about the character testing functions. I hope that was useful for you. Likewise, we will see certain interesting functions in this lesson. They are called character conversion functions. Here's the toLower function, which converts a character into its lowercase counterpart. It does not affect characters which are already in lowercase. Take a look at this syntax. Int toLower int c. And finally, we will see the toUpper function. It is used to convert a character into its uppercase counterpart, and also it does not affect characters which are already in uppercase. Let's have a syntax which explores the usage of the toUpper function. Int toUpper int c. If you're still confused, take a look at this sample code. In this sample code, we declare I, str, which is a character array holding a string. And here's another character variable, that is variable c. Inside the first while loop, we fetch a character from the character array, that is str. Following that, we print a character as a lowercase format because we use the toLower function. Then we increase the value of the I variable by 1 using the increment operator. Finally, we will get the sentence as in lowercase format. Similarly, we repeat the same process to convert from lowercase to uppercase using this while loop. But inside this while loop, we use the toUpper function. Let's compile the code by pressing Alt F9. When it's done, click on OK. Press Ctrl F9 to run the code. And look at this output. Now you're familiar with converting characters from lowercase to uppercase and vice versa.